Hi, first grade mathematicians. It is Friday, December 4th. All right, big shout out for Friday, TGIF. So today for Friday, you can see that our learning target is down here. I'm up here now. Is we're going to work on addition. I know we've been working really hard on addition, number stories, and number sentences, but we're going to learn about and practice how we can add in any order. All right, now moving down here. Here's our problem of the day. So get ready. You should have your whiteboard and dry erase marker or paper and pencil to help you solve this. It says, Kim has 6 pennies. Becky has 3 pennies. How many pennies do they have in all? Ooh, there's a question mark there. I know we can't see the last part there, but how many pennies do they have in all? Blank pennies. Now, and also we want to find out who has more pennies and explain how you know who has more. Okay, so I want you to start working on this. Teachers can pause the video and then you can share out your results and how you solved it. Oh, good. I heard some really excellent strategies. Wow. Some people wrote a number sentence, 6 plus 3, or 3 plus 6 to solve. Some of you maybe drew a diagram or drew a picture. And then we had to see who had more. Well, did you get this answer? Give me a thumbs up if you got 9. Who has more pennies? Kim or Becky? Yes, Kim had 6. And 6 is definitely greater than or more than 3, isn't it? So, and I hope you can also work on explaining how you know, right? Because you can see 6 is greater than 3. You can even look on your number line or get your cubes out to see which one is more. Now, here's our investigation for today. Can you add numbers in any order? Does it make a difference when you're adding numbers what order you put them in? For example, down here, 3 plus 4. Can we add these in any order? Could we switch it around and put 4 plus 3? Let's take a look at this. It says, can you change the order of the addends to get the same sum? Okay, now remember addends, if you can say that word, addends, that's a mathematical word for the numbers here that you're adding. These are addends. So if we look at this and we see some yellow counters, 3, we see some red counters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 6, so this addend and this addend equals how much? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The sum is 9. Now, can we change the order around and get the same sum? Let's look. Here we put the 6 first and then added the 3. Here's, I know this is 6. Now we're going to add on the 3, 7, 8, 9. We get the same sum. Let's try this one now. Write the addends. So you're going to go ahead, you can work on this again on your whiteboard with your dry erase marker, or you can use paper and pencil too. So write the addends and then look at these counters. If you want to use counters too, you can. And then find the sum. Now look at this. These are going up and down vertically. So we can add that way too. And remember, this line right here is what you use for the equal sign. Okay? So go ahead and solve these and then share out. Let's look. How did you do? It was 1 plus 3 equals 4. And then they turned it around and started with the larger number, 3 plus 1 equals 4. It's the same sum. Now, let's try a problem solving together. Okay, I'll read it. It's right up here. It's about 4 ladybugs. 4 ladybugs climb onto a leaf. 8 more join them. How many ladybugs are on the leaf? So you can see here, before you go ahead and solve, it says to write 2 ways to add. Okay, so write the 2 addition number sentences for this. 4 ladybugs and 8 more join them. Go ahead and work on this again, and teachers can pause this and we'll come back and check out our results. All right, great job. Yes, as we were working on it and we shared out, we can see we can do it write it 2 different ways. So I have my first addend, and sum. It started with 4 ladybugs and 8 more joined them. So I could write 4 plus 8. And I can write 8 plus 4. So we just turn those around. So what is our sum? How did you solve it? Did you get 12? Yes. And 8 plus 4, 8. And then I add 4 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We get the same sum. Okay, kind of like the turnaround facts that we did earlier this in November, and the fact families with addition. So also I like to show this with the cubes, right? So if I have these cubes, and this one time I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I add 1, 2, 3 red, I could say 3 plus 5 equals 8, or I could turn it around and say 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay, so you can add in any order. All right, so now you can go ahead and work on your math, and we look forward to seeing how you add in any order. See you later. Do your best.